Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the installation process of Surveillance Bridge. You need to download the installation suite first. You can get it from the Tiger Surveillance website. Once you have it, double-click the file to start the installation process. There will be a license agreement you need to accept. After that, you will have to select your VMS from the list. Your further options will depend on your selection here. There are 4 VMSs, namely XProtect by Milestone, Mobotics Hub by Mobotics, Surveillance by Siemens, and Velocity Vision by Identiv, in which Surveillance Bridge is fully integrated and comes as a plugin to the VMS. For them, you will have more options presented on the next screen of the installation. If you have one of these, please check out the respective Surveillance Bridge plugin installation video. If your VMS is not one of these, on the next screen, you will be able to select the individual components you are interested in. The available options are Surveillance Bridge, which is the platform engine. It has to be installed on every recording server on which you would like to use Surveillance Bridge's features. Surveillance Bridge Configuration Utility, which is used for licensing and management purposes. Surveillance Bridge Job Manager, which is an optional component for configuring and executing data rehydration procedures. Shell Extension, which allows for an integration with Windows Explorer and, respectively, manual Surveillance Bridge operations. Once you've selected what you need to install on the respective machine, you will be able to click the Install button to start the actual installation process. Surveillance Bridge requires the installation of the .NET Framework version 4.8 as a prerequisite for working with Microsoft Azure Cloud Storage. You can select an installation package to download with or without the .NET 4.8 software respectively. If you need the installer with the .NET software included, a restart will be needed at the end of the Surveillance Bridge installation. Once the installation completes, you will be presented with an icon to start the Surveillance Bridge graphical user interface. In here, you will be able to initially add your license and later on view your licensing information. Your license will not be lost even if you uninstall the software and install it again. If you are interested in understanding more about the Surveillance Bridge software and its various possible use cases, like for disaster recovery, extension, or high availability, please check out our respective videos. They are all available in our channel. This concludes our video, showing you how to install Surveillance Bridge. Thank you for viewing.